In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom HTML to Confluence pages. We'll walk through adding a marketplace app that enables HTML on your Confluence pages. This is the safest and most supported way to work with custom HTML in Confluence Cloud, and it only takes a moment. You may need admin permissions to install apps. If you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your site administrator. Start by opening your Confluence site and signing in. Once you're on the home screen, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Apps option. Click that to open the Apps area. From there, choose Explore More Apps. This takes you to the Atlassian Marketplace within Confluence, where you can discover and install approved add-ons. In the Marketplace search bar, type HTML for Confluence. You're looking for the app that allows you to embed and render custom HTML within your pages. When you see the correct result in the list, click it to open the app's detail page. Here you can review the overview, screenshots, and permissions. It's a good moment to confirm that the app matches your needs and that you're comfortable with what it can access. Click. Try it free to begin the installation process. Confluence will guide you through a brief flow. If prompted, review the information and proceed. On the next screen, click Review to confirm the installation details. This is your last checkpoint before starting the trial, so make sure everything looks right. Now click Start Free Trial and give Confluence a moment to install the app. You'll see a status indicator as the installation progresses. When it finishes, you should see a confirmation that the app is installed and ready to use. If the page doesn't update automatically, a quick refresh usually helps. From this point forward, the HTML capability will be available when you're editing pages, typically as a macro you can insert into your content. Keep in mind that HTML is powerful and can impact page layout, performance, and security. Only paste code you trust, avoid unnecessary scripts, and test in a low-risk page before using it broadly. If your organization has governance policies, follow them and consider limiting who can add complex code. A few quick tips as you get started. Use simple snippets first to verify that the app is working. Keep your HTML well-structured and minimal for better maintainability, and document any embedded code so teammates understand what it does and how to update it later. That's it. Your Confluence site now supports adding custom HTML via the installed app, giving you more flexibility while staying within the supported ecosystem.